All right, this next portion is going to be in regards to maintenance. I'm going to make this really simple because mostly it's going to be the administrator doing this. However, you're going to need to run a housekeeping report daily or shift-wise. You also have these other reports: availability, occupancy, arrival statistic, how heard report, and so on. These reports are primarily used just for, oh, well, how many people are coming in today, how many people came in 5 years ago on this date, and so on. It's a really good tool to have, but again, it's mostly in management that they need to know the statistics. Availability report, on the other hand, is a good tool because it literally lets you know what is currently available if you want to go into the campground with the customer and have them pick while you're standing there and you've got the report in your hand. The other report is a transaction report. The transaction report is almost like your Z out at the end of the day. If you've ever run a cash register before, you generally run a Z out report that shows how much Visa, MasterCard, credit card intake you've done money-wise, and it also tells you how much cash you should have in your drawer and so on. So again, maintenance has one last thing that I need to point out is online reservations. There's two ways of running Campground Master. One is a standalone system where your phone call comes in, you take a reservation, you take a credit card, you handle it all 100% personable, or you have an online website that people link to make a registration in your campground, knowing in that system what campsites are currently available and the rates. To do that properly, you have to actually sync with that online service, which ours is called Hercules. And then basically you're going to need to sync, request full sync, and then send full sync. Once you do that, we do that about once every hour to 2 hours all day long. And once we do a sync, and if there's a new registration that happened online, we get an email prompt saying you have a new reservation, and then we got to go through a whole different step. But just FYI, that is what you do with the maintenance predominantly. So if you have any additional above and beyond that you want to do, that is more of an administrative thing, not just a person operating the computer every day.